I'm going to show you how to replace the zipper on this pair of jeans, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Alter your own clothes and save a bundle. Here's the fast version how, so you can get a quick overview. Detailed version link in the description below. First things first, we need to select a zipper, and it's okay if it's too long, especially because I'm demonstrating on a pair of child's jeans. Rip away the zipper underneath the male part of the snap. See how I've done so. When you get to the bottom of that area, you might need to take a razor blade. That's what I always do to get through all the thick jeans stitching. In fact, you're going to be taking as much time ripping out that old zipper as you will be sewing in the new zipper. Alright, then on the other side, the female side, under the female side of the snap, release all of that old zipper. And take the trusty razor blade if you need to. Finally, get the decorative top stitching released as well, and it's not just decorative, it truly is functional. Once the zipper is all the way out, take the new zipper, unzip it from the front, fold down the left-hand side top, and sandwich it right into the facing there and the jeans. Pin it down well and double stitch, double line of stitching it down. Now the right part of the zipper needs to fold up just right onto that flap, doesn't it? So make that happen by lining up the zipper over the old stitching. Pin it well. And sew it at the machine. 2 lines. Notice how I'm not using a zipper foot. I couldn't find mine at the time, and I got away with just using a regular foot. You can too. Time to stitch down the waistband where it was released. The zipper's all the way in except for that curved top stitching. So get that done. At last, you need to trim off any excess. I happen to have a zipper stop, so I needle nose plied it on. If you don't have one, just snip it off and maybe put a piece of fabric underneath there. We're finished. That's how you replace a jean zipper. Takes a bit of doing, but then you're all zipped up. For some of you, this quick version will be enough demonstration to run with. Otherwise, check out the link in the description below for the detailed version.